What is up, guys? I hope you're all having an amazing day and welcome back to the videos where today is just going to be a really chill drive up through the mountains. It's sort of a lot like what all of my old content used to be before I started breaking skylines. So I have a couple of GoPros down here. I have the Hero 9, the Hero 5 and the Hero 4. Hero 5 is going to jump on the back, Hero 4 is going to go in the engine bay, and Hero 5 is hopefully going to set up somewhere on my window or something. Just like old times, gonna grab some 500 horsepower sound and just clips for you guys. I'm not gonna be once again doing anything crazy. You guys all know me, I like to keep it nice and chill on the road and stuff like that. So yeah, also another really cool thing is they're actually catching up with one of my good mates, Matt. Matt has actually been a huge supporter of the channel for a couple of months now, and he has brought down his white Supra, which you guys will see. We're gonna go up to Clear Mountain and just go have some fun. So we're gonna go up and get some photos up there. I don't have the drone this time, but I'm gonna go up in the white Supra. Unfortunately, I was gonna bring the Skyline, but it just didn't work out that way. It's still having a few little issues. So yeah, anyway guys, gonna just chill out there with Matt, and then we'll from there we'll do a couple of little clips, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. So it's a bit of a scary feeling trailing a Kia Stinger on a mountain road with an externally gated Falcon. Clear Mountain's always such a nice place to come. Hi Matt.
G'day mate.
Hi mate, how are you? Oh man, it looks so good. I want the Supra now. The Supra looks so good behind me too. Rightio, so I managed to get into Repco like 10 minutes before they closed. They had they had 4 spark plugs there, and I ordered 6, so I have to go back and get the rest of them, but that's okay. We will quickly take these out and put these 2 in and see if it turns over. And if it doesn't, we're going to burn the car. Because that sounds like fun. Oh yeah, Matt, you'll get a kick out of this, eh?
What's that?
It literally just fell apart.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Right, so after a very big issue, we're back. A very small, minor technicality. And then all it needs is those coils, and that's pretty much it. Fingers crossed, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty. Are we ready?
We're ready to rock and roll.
Sounds a bit better? Yeah, certainly. It's a little smoky, but I guess there's so much in the exhaust at the moment that, yeah. Yeah, it's keys better. Yeah.
Like, it's actually smooth considering you've got another one 4 plugs in there.
Yeah, certainly. Oh, I'm stoked. Thank you.
No problem.
I appreciate that. Oh, by the way, if you guys wanted to see what the issue was, yeah, that was the issue, and that's probably going to make a lot of people cringe if you know what that is. That was like, all of those little tiny pieces were stuck in the hole. So, yeah. Cool. Bit nicer. Oh yay, I'm stoked. Woohoo!